Eid holidays I have visited twice in last 2 years with my family. It was very pleasant stay over there. Mumtaz clean, thumbs up. Location, thumbs up. Breakfast, thumbs up. Service, thumbs up. Room, thumbs up. Receptionist, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Exceptional, the staff is great. Fundukun Jayidin. Leisure tour. I visited Taif and found this hotel to be very good. The hotel staff, cleanliness at the hotel, spacious room were all excellent. The location of this hotel is very ideal as almost every attractions are 5 to 10 kilometers away except Shifa. However, I was very disappointed with the breakfast as it was included in my booking, but I was expecting buffet system. Unexpectedly, they provided us 2 to 3 things on order system only, which was all available for breakfast.